Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the long-term chart of Delta Airlines INC. Now this is one of those sectors which is asking for good days, and literally the performance is showing you how difficult it is as far as the share price movement is concerned. So let's start analyzing this trend, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now as you can see, the move of 193% from the lows of 2020, and then again the stock started moving on the downside. But if you look at the long-term trend, as you can see in front of your screen, so the stock has been consolidating since 2015, which means that the trend is completely flat for the last 7 years, at least for the last 7 years, and this is the section in between which the stock has been trading for the last since 2015 till now. So let's just first understand this trend, then we will talk about the rest. So first of all, the lower end of the range you have here is $32 and $30 on the downside, and that's what is looking like a very likely support, or that's where the stock is going to take support again. This is a possibility. The way the stock is moving, it looks like it will retest $32 and $30 in the upcoming days, but it's not 30, it's 29.86. But if it falls below 29.86, then obviously we do not have any interest, because it will be a downtrend, or it will be a trend breakdown in the short term. As far as the upside is concerned, you have two specific targets to look at. You have $52 and $53, 53.93 or $54. And then you have these spikes. We can consider this as a false breakout as of now, although the stock has traded above $54 from 2018 till 2020, but this is a flat chart and the stock did nothing meanwhile. So this is what you have here as far as the trend is concerned for the last 6 or 7 years, which is your immediate as well as your intermediate trend. Now talking about the big trend or the big range, as you can see, you will find this trend lines, and these are your long-term support levels, right? So these are your long-term support level. You may adjust this line a bit, and this is what you have here as far as your big support line is concerned on the downside. Now looking at this trend, if I may draw a line or long-term trend out of it, it will be a very positive one, let me tell you. So here we are. It will definitely be a very positive one, but how much time it will take for the stock to move higher, and when I'm saying moving higher, it means substantially moving higher. Okay, it's not going to be a small move. So if I draw a trend out of it, it looks super bullish, but then again, how much time will it take is a very big question. So if you are looking at the long-term trend, then you need to change your thought process a bit, and let me just remove all these short-term levels. You can go back and check it out, because let me clear all these things. You can go back couple of minutes and you can recheck these levels. Okay, right now we are looking at the long-term trend of Delta